Hi guys! I'm Girlie Dapat na po from Cainta, 39 years old. I'm here to join the Goal Getters Academy, Batch 2. Pasensya na, may makulit na aso dito sa gilid. You can call me Ate Girlie. Get ready with me. I can say na my journey as a content creation, content I can say that my journey in content creation is unique because meron ako nitong script. At this time of my life, dapat focus na lang ako sa work or business. Pero ito ako, still striving. In 2022, nag-start ako ng content creation. Makeup, anik-anik, and then nag-stop ako kasi I need to work as a solo provider for my 4 kids para masustain yung needs nila. Pero kaya ngayong malalaki na sila, I'm back in doing content creation. I'm doing contents. And luckily, isa si Get Ready With Me Cosmetics na nagbigay sa akin ng chance na maibalik ang confidence at may pagpatuloy ang naudlot na pangarap. Yay! Sobrang thank you, Get Ready With Me and Miss Mila Yu sa opportunity na makasama sa All About That Bass Volume 2. Thank you so much. Guys, sorry, may script ako kasi hindi ako makapagsalita ng dire-diretso. Sana maintindihan nyo. I want to be part of the Goal Getters Academy. To learn. I am so eager to learn, enhance my potentials, at saka para makasama yung mga taong naniniwala sa amin na kaya namin. Especially kay Miss May. Thank you po sa opportunity. Na ibinibigay niyo sa amin ng mga small-time content creators. For me, goal getters are a sticker, confident, and fighter. Kasi kapag may goals ka, dapat hindi ka weak. Just like me. I turned weakness into motivation. Kaya sana kayo din at suportado ko kayo dyan. Fight lang! Thank you so much. Get ready with me for this opportunity. Continue striving harder.